When a user closes their browser tab, your ad is already waiting for them. That's a Popunder. Popunders are now live, a new ad format built to capture attention, exactly when users are ready to see it. Here's how to launch your first Popunder campaign on Bitmedia. Here's how to set one up in minutes. Log into your dashboard and start a new ad group. Select Popunder as your ad format and hit Continue. Choose your targeting, GEO, device, category. Add your link and give your group a title. Submit for approval, and you're done. Thank you for attention. Your leads are waiting. Let's win the market.